1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello everyone, I'm so glad you all could make it here tonight. My name is Julie Payne, and for the next 5 or so minutes I will be doing a speech about aromatherapy, how it works, and some of the benefits of it. If you have any questions during the speech, there will be a time at the end for me to answer any of your questions. I believe most of y'all here have heard about aromatherapy or even used it once or twice in your life. But beyond that, you don't have a whole lot of information, and I'm hoping to clear that up and give you some helpful information during the speech. Personally, I've always found aromatherapy to be an incredibly fascinating subject, and I've done some research on my own just to learn more. Growing up, I was surrounded by people, and even still today, who strongly believe in the health benefits of aromatherapy. In an article titled "Meaning of Aromatherapy Massage in Mental Health," which was written in 2014, it is stated, "Intervention with aromatherapy in psychiatric hospitalization in general hospitals has brought about improvements in many spheres, such as the decrease of anxiety symptoms and the possibility of coping with the mental disorder." Today I would like to share with you how aromatherapy works, how different oils help in different areas, and how you can incorporate aromatherapy into your day-to-day life. Aromatherapy might sound daunting when you just hear the word, but it really is quite simple to use. A very basic definition of aromatherapy would be a healing treatment that uses plant extracts to promote health and well-being. That's sort of aromatherapy stripped down to the core, and I hope to expound on that throughout the speech. Aromatherapy has been around for a very long time and throughout history. In an article titled Part 2, The History and Use of Aromatherapy, which was written in 2005, it states, "The Greek scholar and father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, studied the effects and benefits of many different types of plants and oils as healers." So even so long ago in ancient Greece, a scholar saw the benefits and studied more about them of oils and how they can be healing agents. Aromatherapy works through skin absorption or through our sense of smell, and there are many different ways to use aromatherapy in those ways. All of that is well and good information, but it doesn't help you that much unless you know the different kinds of oils and how they work in different ways. There are so many different kinds of essential oils out there. It'd be far too many for me to touch on today, so I have chosen to speak on a lavender oil and marjoram oil. In an article titled "The Effectiveness of Nurse-Delivered Aromatherapy in an Acute Care Setting," which was written in 2016, it says, "In this effectiveness study of nurse-delivered aromatherapy, pain, anxiety, and nausea were all found to be reduced when patients were administered essential oils adjunctive to usual care. In this study, lavender oil was found to be an effective pain relief and anxiety relief. As well, in this study, marjoram was found to be an even more effective pain relief than lavender oil, but they both were very effective." Now, I have brought this bottle of marjoram essential oils, and a few weeks past, I tore a muscle in my knee, and I dealt with a lot of pain. I put this on my knee and rubbed it on, and I noticed a quite dramatic decrease in pain levels. And that's just a personal story of how I have seen the effects of using aromatherapy. I hope that learning about the different essential oils has been helpful, but you really need to know, well, I would like to show an example of how you can use aromatherapy in your day-to-day life. A diffuser is one very good way to incorporate aromatherapy into your life. It's used where you have this little container and you put water and the essential oil of your choice depending on what your ailment is, and it comes out in a water vapor with the essential oil mixed in. So it diffuses in your room and you're able to breathe it in, and you get a lot of health benefits that way. In an article titled "Aromatherapy Improves Work Performance Through Balancing the Autonomic Nervous System," it was written in 2017, it states aromatherapy can improve performance in the workplace. In this study, it was shown an increase in alertness and a decrease in anxiety when people in the workplace used aromatherapy. And a diffuser is a wonderful way to incorporate that in even your workplace. As well as skin absorption. That is a very easy way to incorporate that into your life, because if you were to find an essential oil or buy one, you could just put it topically on your skin, a muscle, if there was something that hurt. If you were having trouble breathing, you can put it on your chest, almost similar to a vapor rub, if that helps kind of understand it better. I do hope all of this information has been helpful for you today. And in conclusion, I know there's been a lot of information here, how aromatherapy works, how different essential oils work for different ailments and discomforts, and how you can incorporate essential oils and aromatherapy in your day-to-day life. Aromatherapy is a wonderful tool to aid in discomfort, and it's very simple to use. I hope that through this speech you have gained some insight on this topic. We will move on to the Q&A session. If anyone has any questions, please ask me and I will do my very best to answer them. Does anyone have any questions? Yes.
You mentioned lavender to help anxiety. Would you say that it would work for things such as insomnia as well, since it seems to be a relaxant?
Yes, I would. Many of the essential oils have a variety of benefits and what they help you in. And lavender oil, with the studies that I did, lavender oil seemed to be probably one of the most helpful essential oils, in that it helps in so many different categories. And it is a relaxant, so yes, that would be helpful. And that would be helpful, a diffuser. Put it in a diffuser, or even put it on your pillow. That's another good way and simple way to incorporate that. Any other questions? Yes.
Would you say that using it on your skin or inhaling it would be better?
I think it depends on what your ailment is, or illness, discomfort level is. If, like me, if you have a sore muscle or even a torn muscle or something along those lines, sometimes it can be helpful to put the oil directly on your skin, and that can be the easiest way for you to feel the benefits of it. If you're having trouble breathing, sometimes the best benefit is to breathe it in. As well as with anxiety, sometimes if you smell it, it can be helpful, like putting it in a diffuser.
How often do you suggest using it? Like if you were to use it on a regular day-to-day basis, is it 6 hours or every week, or how often would you use one?
I think it's whatever you would like to do, but it does not hurt you or hinder you to use it every day. So it depends on how much you want to use it. But yeah, that's kind of the wonderful thing about the natural remedies, is that it really won't hinder you on how much, and it depends on what you're dealing with. Sometimes if you're dealing with a lot of pain, you'll want to use it more. Thank you. Are there any more questions? Thank you everyone for coming out here tonight. I appreciate it so much. Have a wonderful week.